for one of the afternoon programs, somebody came up with a copy of a print of the Dybbuk, the film, which this was pre-videotaped VCRs and pre-DVDs and pre-streaming and Netflix. And so there was a reel-to-reel copy of the film, which was fairly rare. I mean, there weren't very many copies. I don't know the full history of the history of the preservation of this, but this we watched it one afternoon, and I believe this was one of the first screenings of the Dybbuk that had been presented since the 30s, the 40s, I don't know. And if my memory serves me right, the stars, the two actors who had played the male and female leads in the film, were living in the New York area, and whoever organized that program brought them to watch the screening as well. And after we watched the film, and it was a crackly, jumpy, sometimes blurry, sometimes dim print of the film, but it was unlike anything I had ever seen, and probably anybody else in the room as well. The two actors were brought on stage to discuss what it meant to, what it was like to watch the film, what it had been like to be in the film, and I just remember they both said in one way or another that they too had not seen the film since soon after its screening, and that everyone in the film but them had been murdered during the war. And they had been in the United States. Again, this is my recollection. Some fact checker can go check it someday. But they had both been in the United States doing a publicity tour for the film when in late August 1939 and September 1st, 1939, they realized they couldn't go back, and they didn't. So they survived, and the film survived, but the cast, the crew, nicht da.
Wow.